Hello friends, welcome to Money Trend channel, where we redefining bedroom design with the versatility and elegance of PVC panels. In this video, we are exploring innovative ways to elevate your bedroom decor using PVC panels, from sleek and modern to cozy and rustic. PVC panels offer endless possibilities for creating a space that reflects your style and personality. Join us as we showcase a variety of bedroom designs featuring PVC panels, from accent walls to headboard installations and ceiling treatments. Discover how PVC panels can add a texture, depth, and visual interest to your bedroom, while also offering practical benefits such as easy installation and maintenance. Whether you're looking to refresh your account, or embark on a complete makeover, PVC panels are sure to inspire your next design project. Please watch the video completely, and if you feel this video is worth watching, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and happy watching.